Now everybody wanna be
Shit, just know I'm the king.
Dark skin baddie and she stand at 5'7". Shorty got degrees, so you know her ass is driven. She's a melanin. Dark skin baby, she's a melanin. Dark skin poppin', cocoa butter glitter, drama and tea. Let's talk about it, cry about it, holla at me. She's a melanin. Dark skin baby, she's a melanin. Dark skin poppin', she's a melanin.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to find out a couple of specs about this unit that I have on right here, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start filming from right here just to go ahead and look at these baby hairs and this hairline. Sorry that my baby hairs are not laying down for you or for you guys to see, because I use a lot of body and it's just not working with me. Whether it be my natural hair or this unit or any unit, just a lot of body is not for me no more. But let's go ahead and look at how deep this part goes. She goes pretty far. The regular tracks start a little bit further back here. So I wish I measured this or knew this is like a 6-inch, to be honest. But that's how deep that part goes, and you see how natural it looks blending into my skin complexion. Again, this is without tinting the lace or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to focus this back up so you guys can see me and see the unit. I'm gonna turn as far back as one can go on each side, so you can get that view of this unit. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go through the stock card. We're gonna go ahead and just acknowledge how beautiful the new stock card is. This is the ModelModel Edges on Point EOP. Not talking about that educational opportunity program, but I'm talking about them edges. Edges on Point lace front in the style 701 and in the color OT27. Now I'm not the one to actually do color ever, so for me to actually pick this out and just love, I just had to make sure I was focused, sorry, and then just love how beautiful this unit is, she's to die for. Okay, she comes in the colors 1, 1B, 2, 4, OT27, OT30, and OT530. It had another blonde, but I feel like this one is more suited for my skin tone. I really enjoy it. On the back of the stock card, there's information for washing the hair, curling the hair, the style or this type of hair is safe up to 400 degrees for your curling iron. It protects your natural edges. Here you're not scraping your edges into the wig. It actually comes with its own, so it's pretty nice for having that. And then also there's no line of demarcation really, because you're putting those baby hairs over. I didn't glue anything down or put any bands, but if you want, you can go ahead and take a little bit of your Got2b glue if you have any, or any type of adhesive on either side of the flaps. I didn't put anything down. I just threw the wig on and put like 2 baby hair swoops for this unit. I will say that she is definitely an everyday unit. You just throw her on and go about your day. Take her off when you come home. I don't know if I want to sleep in this. It might be too good to be true, but if that's the life that you want to live, go ahead. I will say I do love how as you get higher, more of the color comes through and the 1B goes away. I do like to sweep the hair and then let it fall. But yeah, this was a quick review. I didn't want to take too much of your time. If you'd like to purchase this unit, I purchased it at my local beauty supply store for $38. I'm pretty sure online I looked it up. It goes for $30, $32-ish if you look around, but then I thought about like tax and then shipping. I was better off just buying it at the store and getting it instantly. So hopefully I was able to give you guys enough specs on this unit. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and thumbs up. If you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel. If you'd like to see specific wigs or any other reviews, go ahead and comment and let me know, and hopefully I'll have another review for you guys soon. Goodbye.